Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable sleep mode in Webtoon. Sleep mode on Webtoon is a feature that automatically pauses updates, notifications or reading progress to help you focus or rest. First of all, launch open Webtoon application on your device and make sure you're logged in. From the home page of Webtoon, go ahead and tap on My button at the bottom right corner. From your My Series tab, go to the top right and tap on the three dots. Now, from the More option, tap on Settings. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down and look for the Sleep Mode button. Turn on the button right next to Sleep Mode so that it turns green. Once you do that, go ahead and set your time by tapping on Time Setting and choose your time frame. When you want the sleep mode to activate, I'm just gonna leave it to 10 p.m. at the top, and where it says ends, you can go ahead and select the end time. Right after you do that, you can head back and you will be able to set sleep mode on Webtoon application. Enabling sleep mode in Webtoon lets you control notifications and focus on reading or resting without interruptions. Once activated, it's easy to pause and resume your reading experience whenever you want. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.